Hey guys, welcome to Heart Academy for September 13th, 2017. And I was going to have a guest today, but I also remembered that I have a meeting after school with other teachers about technology in the classroom. Yay! So I'm excited to go to that. So we'll have more guests coming tomorrow and throughout the week, and I still hope to see many of you that want to stop by and do a Heart Academy video with me. Now, I didn't get very far with this in class tonight, showing you what the homework is, but so I wanted to be sure that I did this early and so that you were not so afraid of it. Okay, so remember, I got you. And this is what the homework looks like. And let me explain something first. Okay, this side of the homework, okay, is simplifying algebraic expressions, which we started doing in class a couple of days ago. So you don't have very much practice with this, but I just want to see how well you can do, okay? Some of these I'm going to do for you so you don't have to worry about them. And then this side of the homework is the order of operations, which you're used to by now. So we know we're going to have a test on it, a small quiz on it pretty soon. Okay, so now I'm first going to start with number 1 for simplifying expressions. So when simplifying expressions, what I like to do first is take what the letters stand for and plug them in. In fact, let me make this one a different color. There we go. We'll get together here in a second. Okay, so that's what this is, and that's what this is. All right, and whenever you have a number right next to a letter, what that means is multiply. So this is 6 times h. And what is h? H is 2, okay? So I'm going to write it like this. 6 times 2. Bring down to the middle. 4 times c, which is 3. Now all you have to do is think order of operations, right? So what are we going to do first according to order of operations? You're going to do the multiplying first. So 6 times 2, that's 12. 4 times 3, that's 12. I subtract. Guess what your answer is? 12 minus 12, 0. Okay? Let's try the next one. So my 2 letters are Z, which is going to be 2, and W, which is going to be 8. Now here's one with the fraction. Don't worry about the fractions ones, okay? They're really not as bad as they look. Check this out. First rewrite it. -6 plus 4 divided by Z. Remember, fractions mean division. So this you can think of as a division problem. Then I have minus 8 times W, which is 8. Oh, forgot to replace that Z. So what does Z equal again? That Z is a 2. So I'll just take that back out and put a 2. Okay? Now, again, think Pemdas. Okay? So in Pemdas, what would I do first? I have no parentheses. Do I have any exponents? No. Do I have multiplication or division? Yes. Okay? So do your multiplication or division, whatever you see, that comes first. Remember, this is a division. Basically, this is also this. How many times will 2 go into 4? 2. See how I did that kind of on the side of my scrapbook? So I'm going to rewrite it. Let me just get this out the way here. I'm just creating more scrap paper. There we go. So if I rewrite it knowing that this equals to 2, I have -6 plus 2 equals 8 times 8. Are there any more multiplication or division parts? You have this. Okay? I still can't remember what 8 times 8 is. So 8 times 8, 64. Bring everything else back down. Okay, there's no more multiplication or division. You have adding, subtracting. Do it in the order that you see it. I have -6 plus 2. You can use a calculator. That's going to give you -4. And now I have -4, bring this down, minus 64. -4 minus 64. Okay, I'm running out of room down here, so I'm just going to kind of bring it up. I know this looks sloppy. -4 minus 64. Just a continuation of what I have from down here. You can use your calculator, and what you should get should be -68 as your answer. Okay, let's see, go find the next one to do. I'll do. All right. Okay, well, loaded you guys with this one. Okay, but don't worry, I'm here to help. Let's start looking at number 3. Not as bad as it looks. Okay, first, substitute your letters. X is 3. C is 6. Okay. Rewrite. I have 2 times C, remember C is 6, minus 6, parentheses, 7 times X, which is 3, plus 4. Here we go. All right. Now, you still do Pemdas style. Some people see this as a distributive property problem, which it is. Or you can still do it Pemdas style, which I shall. Okay? Watch this. Remember, parentheses first. You're going to do the 7 times 3 first, which is 21. Add your 4. Enter here. 25. Bring everything else back down. Okay? So I have my 6 minus 2 times 6. Okay? Now, you can do this distributive property style, which means you're just doing this times this. Okay? Because remember, next thing in Pemdas, multiplication or division. Okay? You have 2 multiplication problems here. 2 times 6, 18, and 6 times 25. 6 times 25, 150. Bring your sign back down in the middle. You have 18 minus 150. No problem. Okay, this will equal -132. That should be your final answer for number 3. And I'm going to keep going. Okay, we got this. Let's go to number 4. Start with, there we go, the substitution. So W equals 9, F equals 2. Rewrite it. -3, 8 times F. F was 2. Plus 5 times W, which is 9. Okay, do your multiplication first. 8 times 2, 16. 5 times 9, 45. 45 plus a 16. 61. Don't forget you have this -3 on the outside. And remember, it's multiplication with it. So -3 times 61. which will equal 183. Negative at that. Negative 183 for number 4. Okay. Now, number 5, I'm going to set it up for you, and then I'm going to leave it for you to finish. You can handle it. Here we go. First, substitute. So you should rewrite it as negative 5. Negative 4 times D, which is 8, minus 2 times H, and H is 2. What you should do is this multiplication, then this multiplication. Okay? I'm not showing you the answer. You figure it out. Then take those two and subtract. Okay? When you got that answer, put it back in parentheses, and then multiply it with the 5. There. So you know that means multiply. And you'll have your final answer. That's where I'm going to leave it at for you today. Just trying one of those on your own. Next page, or next part of the page, is the order of operations that we've been working on for a while. Let me see if I can get a couple of these done real quick before time runs out. Oh, you have nested parentheses, right? 11 minus 3. 8. But remember, that's 8 squared, and then plus 2. Still in its parentheses. You have to do this. 8 squared, that's 8 times 8, not 8 times 2. That's 64. Don't forget to plus 2. 64, 65, 66. There. There we go. Plus, bring down everything else. 4 plus 4 squared. All right, so I got rid of the parentheses. What's next should be the exponent. So I should be doing this. Remember, that's 4 times 4, not 4 times 2. So that's 16 plus 4 plus 66. So this is where you are from here. You can complete the rest. You're welcome. You got a lot of parentheses going on here. Okay, so here's your big set. This is your outer parentheses. You got 2 inner parentheses. Let's do these first. 18 plus 5, 18, 19, 20, 22, 23. So that's 23. Bring down your minus sign. Do the division first. 9 goes into 18. How many times? 2. Don't forget it's squared. 2 times 2 is 4. So really what you have is 23. Minus 4 in that parentheses. Okay? Now that's all done. But don't forget, you have this on the outside. So what would you do first? According to Pemdas, we got rid of the parentheses. Next is exponents. This is 6 times 6, not 6 times 2. So that's 36. Bring down everything else. Go from there. What would you do next? The multiplication. And then subtract. You finish. That's where I'm going to leave Heart Academy for today, my friends. Ran out of time. It's time for advisory. So I will see you tomorrow. I know I'm asking you to do a lot and challenging on a lot, and I'm hoping that you can rise to the challenge. If you have any problems with tonight's homework, just come see me in the morning, and we can also work them out in class. All right. See you tomorrow. Y'all got this. I got you.